Why don't we begin with your thoughts about the mass shootings that are plaguing this country?
Heartbreak, what's been experienced, people in Buffalo, people in Uvalde, Texas, but these shootings happen when 2 or 3 people die all across this country practically on a daily basis. So we have got to do something.
Are we becoming numb to this, you think?
I worry that we are, and we cannot be. Here's one thing. You have a gun, which is essentially a tool. A car is a tool. After World War II in 1946, people were dying on our roads, mass carnage on our roads. So we as a country took a number of sensible steps to address that. Since 1946, the percentage decrease in deaths per road mile traveled is 86%. We've reduced road deaths 86%. How? Speed limits, DWI laws, seat belts, airbags, child safety restraints, federal safety standards, driver's education, licensing. These are all common sense steps that we took. None of them on their own solves the problem. None of them is the golden solution. None of them will end car deaths. There will be, tragically, deaths on America's highways today. But we have cut those deaths by 86%. 45,000 Americans died at the end of a bullet last year. 45,000. If we could cut that in half, that's 22,000 people alive next year who otherwise would have died. So let's take some common sense steps to address gun violence.
You know, it's interesting. We're the only Western country that has this problem.
We are. I mean, you look at Canada, we have 6 times the deaths per capita. You look at Australia, Germany, Switzerland, 34 times more people per capita die by a bullet shot from a gun in the United States than these other countries. And what's different about us? We're not that fundamentally different. What's fundamentally different is we have many more guns and we don't have common sense protections that will reduce gun violence.